Hey everyone! Welcome to today's video where we'll unlock 50 hidden but super useful shortcuts for Windows and Mac that you might not know about. We're skipping the basics like Ctrl+C or CMD+C for copy. Let's dive into the real gems. First up, here are some shortcuts to make your workflow faster and smoother. Windows, Win+D, minimize all windows and show the desktop. Mac, CMD+F3, show desktop mission control shortcut. Windows, Ctrl+Shift+T, reopen the last closed tab in your browser. Mac, CMD+Shift+T, same on Mac, works like magic. Windows, Win+, open the emoji picker. Mac, CMD+Control+Space, emoji picker for Mac. Windows, Ctrl+W, close the current tab or document. Mac, CMD+W, quickly shut a tab or file on Mac. Windows, Win+E, open File Explorer instantly. Mac, CMD+Shift+, open the Applications folder. Next, let's navigate our systems like absolute pros. Windows, Alt+Tab, switch between open windows. Mac, CMD+Tab, switch between open apps. Windows, Win+Tab, open Task View for a bird's eye look at open apps and desktops. Mac, F3 or Ctrl+Up arrow, open Mission Control. Windows, Ctrl+Shift+Escape, directly open Task Manager. Mac, CMD+Option+Escape, open the Force Quit menu. Windows, Alt+D, focus on the address bar in File Explorer or a browser. Mac, CMD+L, jump to the address bar in browsers. Windows, Win+ number key, open the app pin to your taskbar in that position. Mac, CMD+Option+Number, open the corresponding tab in Safari. Text editing doesn't have to be tedious. These shortcuts will save you tons of time. Windows, Ctrl+Backspace, delete an entire word. Mac, Option+Delete, delete an entire word. Windows, Ctrl+Shift+Arrow keys, select entire words or lines of text. Mac, Option+Shift+Arrow keys, same functionality. Windows, Win+V, access clipboard history. Mac, Ctrl+K, cut text to the clipboard, different from CMD+X. Windows, Ctrl+Shift+L, quickly toggle a bullet list in MS Word. Mac, CMD+Shift+8, toggle bullet points in Word. Windows, Alt+Shift+Arrow keys, move selected text up or down in Word. Mac, Ctrl+CMD+Arrow keys, rearrange text lines in editors like VS Code. Now for some advanced shortcuts that only power users know. Windows, Win+ Ctrl+D, create a new virtual desktop. Mac, Ctrl+Up arrow, then click plus, add a new desktop in Mission Control. Windows, Win+P, adjust screen projection settings. Mac, CMD+F1, toggle mirroring displays. Windows, Win+Shift+S, take a screenshot of a selected area. Mac, CMD+Shift+4, screenshot a custom region. Windows, Win+K, open the Connect menu for Bluetooth and wireless displays. Mac, Option+Bluetooth icon, quick access to Bluetooth settings. Windows, Win+L, instantly lock your computer. Mac, CMD+Control+Q, lock your Mac screen. Here's where it gets interesting, shortcuts for specific apps. Windows/Mac, browsers Control/CMD+Shift+N, open a new private/incognito window. Windows/Mac, browsers Control/CMD+Number, switch between browser tabs. Windows Excel Ctrl+Shift+L, toggle filters. Mac, Excel CMD+Shift+L, same function. Windows/Mac, Outlook Control/CMD+Shift+M, compose a new email. Windows/Mac, Zoom Alt/CMD+Shift+M, mute/unmute yourself. Finally, let me share some lesser-known shortcuts that'll blow your mind. Windows, Ctrl+Alt+Del, quick access to shut down, log out, or task manager. Mac, Control+CMD+Power, force restart your Mac. Windows, Control plus Shift plus Escape. Open Task Manager directly. Mac, CMD plus Option plus Escape. Force quit apps. Windows, Shift plus F10. Open context menu for selected items. Mac, Control plus click, show context menu. Windows, Win plus space, switch keyboard language / input method. Mac, CMD plus space, spotlight search. Windows, Control plus Shift plus N. Create a new folder instantly in File Explorer. Mac, CMD plus Shift plus N, same for Finder. And there you have it, 50 shortcuts to supercharge your Windows and Mac experience. Whether you're a productivity guru or just starting, these tricks will save you time and effort every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips. Let me know your favorite shortcuts in the comments below. See you in the next video.